let me give you a good news. Alam niyo po, whether you are a follower of Jesus and not yet. Gusto ko sabihin to sa inyo. Our victory is not dependent on our promises and our ability to overcome. It is in what Jesus accomplished on the cross. Kaya sabi ni Paul, but thanks be to God who gives us what? Victory through our Lord Jesus Christ. Diba, ang sarap nun? Purihin ng Diyos. Sabi niya, pasalamatan natin ng Diyos na nagbibigay sa atin ng tagumpay sa pamamagitan ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Therefore, kaya naman, huwag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Huwag kang mawalan ng gana. Sabi ganoon, my beloved brethren, maging matatag ka, maging immovable ka, always abounding in the work of the Lord. Huwag kang magsasawa. Kapag dadapa ka, bangon ka ulit. Sabi ganoon, knowing that your toil is not in vain with the Lord. Kaya nga, as Christians, listen to this, as followers of Jesus, believers of the Lord, our default mode is to rise up when we fall.